at this level, as you come slightly inferiorly, again the same tendon anatomy goes on. Around the peroneus brevis and longus, you can see this thin linear dark structure, which is the superior peroneal retinacle. So we need to look at it that it's intact. So again, important, use non-fat sat sequences to look for it. If you have fat sat, you need one fat sat sequence, yes, or maybe you can have two if you are more comfortable with it, to look for marrow edema, to look for soft tissue edema, which catches your eye. But after that, you have to look on non-fat sat sequences to be able to make out these thin structures, which are outlined well by the fat. On fat sat sequence, everything gets dark and anatomy is really lost. Anteriorly, you have Tom, Harry and Dick, tibialis anterior, extensor hallucis longus and extensor digitorum longus. And very often we kind of tend to not look at this area because these are involved much less often, but make it a point that you're not missing it. It would be that one in few cases where it's involved and we are not looking at it carefully. This is the tarsal tunnel that I spoke about, tendo Achilles. And just this section above here, you can see this ligament just where the tibia is ending. This linear structure between the tibia and the lower end of fibula is the anterior inferior tibiofibular ligament.